Let's learn how to log out from your Messenger account if you don't want to be bothered by notifications from Messenger, or there is some different reason you need to log out. I will show you how to do it. Be sure you follow what I am doing so you don't make a mistake. First, let's open Messenger app on your iOS or Android device from which you want to log out. When you are in, search for 3 horizontal lines in upper left corner of your screen and click on them. Now you want to click on gear icon, which is placed on your right side of screen to get in Messenger settings. After that, settings window will pop up. Scroll all the way down to Account Center area and click on See More in Account Center. Now from here it might get a little problematic, but just follow what I am doing. You want to click on Password and Security. There we can check everything about security, as in this case you want to log out, so the next step due to once you are in password. And security window is to click on Where You Are Logged In option. Here will appear all your accounts that are logged on some devices. Choose from which account you want to log out and click on it. Then on the screen, it will show the list of devices that are connected with your Messenger account right now. You can see that my account is logged in few different devices. To log out from one of them or from every device, tap on Select Devices to log out. Once you've done that, you just need to check the device you want to log out from by clicking on it. In my case, it's just the first one. Now Log Out button. Another pop-up will appear to ask you, do you really want to log out from that account or device? Tap Log Out again, wait a bit, and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.